Nag-live na ko. But I think gani ka tong live na ko last.
Ini gari oh. Buntog na AI ni siya kay diri man ako nag-post sa Dubai. Sa delete na ta. Oh, legit daw.
No?
Dili sa ilang country daw.
Oh yeah. Mangigi. Hi! Day 4 in Dubai. Day 4, no, it's day 5. Day 5 out of 7. I-share, i-shoutout natin yung mga share ng ating live. So, share this live and i-shoutout natin kayo. Tagal ko na hindi nakakapag-shoutout sa inyo, guys. My order is here. Thank you. I told you, dili siya ko bagay og blue. Come ganit, check this out. Ali ganit. Mo na siya ikuan. Color theory. Dali ganit, tanawa. Hayag kay ko white. Pag-ana ani. Yung dark akong features.
The blue.
Wanang I don't wear blue. Kay naligay ko bagay. Nude. White. Look at my pistachio latte. Grabe naman, naka-Dior. What? Look. So anyway, guys, make sure na nakasubscribe kayo sa YouTube channel ko because I'm gonna be uploading a lot of vlogs from my Dubai trip and it was so much fun and you need to see it. So, search nyo yung YouTube channel ko para ma-100k subscribers na tayo and we will gonna give away my iPhone 17 Pro. Yes, you heard it right. Kasi I'm still waiting na maka-reach tayo ng 100k. So, help me guys para ma-dispose na natin yun. Thank you.
Thank you.
Anyway, I'm gonna drink my latte and I'm gonna eat my omelette na now. So, thank you so much for watching this live. Again, make sure to subscribe on my YouTube channel because I'm gonna be uploading a lot of fun videos while I am still here in Dubai. Bye, guys!